Hello dear students, today I am going to make a new video on advancement of medical imaging, and in this video I am going to explain to you one of the most modern technology and advancement, that is 3D printing, which is revolutionizing medical imaging. So what is 3D printing? You may already know that in hospitals and clinics we create 2D or 3D images using X-rays, CT scans or ultrasound. Traditionally, these images are printed on paper or displayed on films or screen. However, in the modern 3D printing technology, the printer does not just produce image on paper, it creates physical models of organs. These models can be held in the doctor's hand, allowing them to examine and feel the structure in detail. So it is really a great revolution in the field of medical imaging. Let's move to the first slide. Actually, this is 3D printer. Okay, so in this image, you can see a skull being created by a 3D printer. The printer build detailed, tangible model based on digital imaging data. In this next image, you can see that a doctor is holding a spine along with the sacrum. This groundbreaking technology allows doctor to assess and analyze the anatomy with precision. By creating physical model from digital imaging data, 3D printer has introduced incredible possibility for diagnosis, surgical planning, and personalized treatment. So we will discuss in this video about each topic. So application of 3D printing in medical imaging. 3D printing enables to create of accurate anatomical model derived from imaging modalities such as CT scans, MRI, and ultrasound. These models provide enhanced visualization and improved communication. Okay, detailed model help in explaining medical condition and surgical procedure to patient and their families. So here you can see 3D image or 3D model of a person face with a mass below cheek. The doctor can now see how irregular the mass is and understand its exact shape. In the next image, you can see the same mass is located near the greater wing of sphenoid bone on the right side. With 3D model, the doctor can hold it and assess the abnormality more effectively. Okay, here you can see in this another image, complete pelvis, foot bones being printed by 3D printer. And I want to add one more important thing, that today this technology is not only used for diagnostic or surgical procedure, but This technology is used to make humanoid robot also. About surgical planning, okay, custom 3D printed model play crucial role in prospective planning. Surgeon can able to do surgery more accurately if he will get the exact shape of the tumor or the condition. Okay, doctors can simulate procedure in advance, reducing risk and improving outcome. Enhancing surgical planning and patient outcome. Actually, this technology play very crucial role in several surgical planning, like personalized prosthesis implant. It enables the creation of biocompatible implants with complex geometry that traditional method cannot achieve. Okay, also. So, what is the importance of this technology during surgical planning? Number one, shorter recovery rate, increase confidence in surgical outcome. Okay.